Let me show you how to make your beat knock hard. I mean something like this. Yeah, hard, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your beats knock hard, exactly like this. So don't skip this video, stick with me to the end. So what you have to do right now is to create a drum bus for every single element you have on your drum, like this. This is our drum bus, and then you are going to route all your drums to it. You can see I have all my drums here in this drum bus. So after routing everything to the drum bus, we are going to add this particular plugin from Wave CLA76 Stereo, and we are going to put it in blue because the blue have this very amazing feel you get. So put it in blue and then just play with this. Use your air, play with this, and then we have this without it. With it, can you feel the difference? Then what you have to do now is create another bus again, then name it drum compressor. Then what to do is sidechain this. You can see I sidechain the drum master, the drum bus. I sidechain it to the drum comp, which I named DC here. Then after sidechaining it, then use fruity send to send it. Yeah, fruity send. I'm going to use it to send it to the drum comp. Then it's going to copy the drum bus to the drum comp. See now more bouncy, right? Then the drum comp, we are going to add a compressor, and you are going to exaggerate the compressor. Just exaggerate it to get over compress it. Then after over compressing it, what we are going to do is something like this. You can see how it sounding so clash, right? So what you need to do is you are going to bring it all the way down, then slowly bringing it up. So you can see the difference, right? It's become more lively, more bouncy, as you can see. So as simple as that, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe on my channel.